Alright, this is a video on the HDP 50 compact. I put in a brass barrel in here. This barrel is actually more suited for the heavier, the large diameter steel balls, like the 8.4, 8.5 gram ones, 8.3. And I mean, I believe these are the T4E powder balls, so of all the ammo I find, T4E seems to be the smallest diameter. So I'm not going to get a exact reading like I want versus with the steel balls, but this video's purpose is just to, I want to see if 25 joules or so, because this is around 25, in between 25 and 30, the highest I've tested so far. And I want to see if they will break powder and pepper balls. Yeah, so I personally don't know myself. Some pepper balls are made different, and I guess with harder shells. There's ones you can buy and pre-fill with your own stuff or your own mix. Yeah, that just, let me see here. I got the valve block pulled out of here. There's no kind of CO2 restrictor in. And we're going to be using CO2, the little 8 grams. I got some of these like little soda stream type ones from Amazon, and I was screwing around doing a quick little test with it earlier, and with the 2.8 gram rubber balls, the ones with they come in the container with the little shield on the picture, on the background, and the label. They kind of have no name, but I just call them Shield brand. They're about 2.8 grams. They're like metal fragments in the rubber. And I was getting like 29, 28-ish, something like that. It was just slight shy of 30. But yeah, just even 25 to 30. If we can get 25 to 30 today, and the powder balls break, then yeah, I'm probably gonna have to up the power and try again. But if they start breaking in this, then we know that this is too much power, and we probably have to go down and power just to see, get an accurate, correct reading. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get this in my stand here, and hopefully I don't shut it off. Alrighty. Okay, here. Turn the chromium. Yeah, I gotta load this up first here. Okay. Not sure if you can see this good, but there they are. I got 450 caliber pepper balls. Or sorry, powder balls. I have pepper balls here, but I'm not going to practice with those. This is actually going to be my first time shooting powder balls. Okay, I got them loaded in. I'll just crack this CO2. Oh, I don't even think I loaded CO2 yet. Nope. Do it. Just grab one. Alrighty. One of these little soda stream type ones. Got them from Amazon. Okay. There we go. pin come out. And let's see what happens. Powder balls, are they going to break? Wonder how many joules this is going to be. These balls are small in diameter, but let's give it a go. Shot number 1. Oh, that blew apart in the barrel. 290 it says. 620, that one fired out. I don't know where it went. Oh, they're going through the cardboard. They're not even bursting. Let's shoot a little lower. Ooh, that one hit too. So about 622. This CO2 is pretty much shot. I'm going to try some of those 2.8 gram rubber steel balls. So here, I'll finish that CO2 off. And I'll reload this up with, yeah, the first one blew right in the barrel. I've seen the dust come out. And then the second two went right through the paper target, so there wasn't much of a splatter effect. I'll check after and see if I can dig them out, but that box is pretty heavy. It's just packed with blankets, towels, old safety vests, stuffed animals, anything I could find that was useless to me, and just jammed it in there. Weighs about 50 pounds, that box. Just absolutely stuffed. Okay, I just put a fresh CO2 in. Maybe I'll shoot another 4 powder rounds after these. These are the Shield brand, I call them. 2.8 gram metal fragment rubber balls. Okay. Crack the CO2. It feels pretty cold. Alright, let's see here. There. Oh shit, my spring I didn't push my spring back. My bad. Oh, this ain't gonna give an accurate reading now. That CO2's almost burnt. Anyways. Oh, it's not even shit. Yeah, anyways. Scrap that one. I'll redo it with some powder. Empty that out. Actually, I'll just use the button. Oh, I can smell the baby powder. Alright, another fresh CO2. I'm gonna put some more powder balls in. Pop this. Okay, they're not breaking anymore. That first one broke for some reason. I'm going to try another one of those powder balls. Or sorry, the rubber balls. Alright, crack this off. These are the rubber steel balls again. 396, 399, 540. Wow, that was a nice jump. 374. Whoa, that was an oddball there. Pretty powerful. And I'm pretty far back too, so it's definitely not reading no air. Every time it hits the air, it says air, so. But anyways, there's the results from the longer barrel. I was only getting about 20 joules tops with the factory barrel. And these are the results from the brass barrel. And I don't know, out of the 8 balls I shot with the powder rounds, only the very first one broke. I mean, you don't want any breaking on you, right? So, and I could smell it too right away. So I would not want to breathe that in at the same time someone's coming in at me. But anyways, I mean, every shot after worked. I mean, it's I wouldn't say it's a complete bust. You could still use pepper balls at this speed, I guess. So I'm going to go back and find out what the power was. But yeah, that one shot we got there, holy, I don't know what's up with that, man. That was just like an error shot, but it definitely wasn't the chronograph. It was probably powerful, but it's just one freakish round, I guess. Anyways, guys, take care and have a good one, as always.